We are back at it again. It's currently 5 past 9 in New York. Quick update. If you didn't watch the previous Oil Money Gang video, I suggest you check it out. This is the situation. We set a limit order just to take some profits off the table. We're about to hit profits. Price didn't go below where the level we were expecting. Beautiful. And it's full steams ahead to the top. On NASDAQ, there's a limit order I placed for a buy. We're just gonna quickly look into that. So my reasoning, look at the M5 time frame. We had some fundamentals come out. We took out this sell side liquidity, right? We took out the sell side liquidity. This plays to the upside, opened the fair value gap, and now price is currently retracing back into the fair value. I see these relative equal highs over there, so that would definitely be a first target, followed by my current ultimate overall TP, which is that previous high over there. Where's that? Where's that sticker I like using now? What's going on? This sucks. Oh, there it is. Whoopsie. Found it. Okay, cool. That is the level we are currently eyeing out. M1 time frame. We get triggered in. Not yet. We're about to be. Beautiful. See that fair value gap over there? That's where the current limit order that I have is targeted. All right. That's where it's currently at. That's the only level I'm currently interested in. It should be about a 17-ish point stop if I'm not mistaken. 15. Targeting that. Oh no, that's the first one. Overall level is up there. That is what I am currently looking out for today. I won't be entering until it comes down there, and then will be to the upside. I'm going with half my usual leverage as well. I went a bit off tilt yesterday on the account. I'm down like 10%, but that's a conversation for later. On the M3, as you can see here, price did come down. I hope it would, or I hope it will come back for us, because yeah, that's the only level in which we are interested in. Fair value gap also exists on the 5-minute time frame as well. Cool, nice, nice, nice. But like I said, I'm only interested in the buys towards that lower level. So until it gives me something, I will not be touching this. Oh yeah, it's looking like it's reversing. Oh my god. But yeah, that's the situation right now. There was a 1 hour zone or a fair value gap if I'm not mistaken. Where is it? Yes, they're up until, let me just say, 14,642. 14,642. 14,6. Let's put it just there. 42. Nice. Man, if you don't come back to fill me in, I'm gonna be so mad, but it is what it is. And yeah, that's the current situation now. It's not yet market open. I'm not even rushing. Where's my midnight? Today's Thursday, right? Oh, snap, it's Wednesday. Oh, okay. Wednesday, midnight, Alt V. Alright, then. Alrighty, then. Hmm. Interesting level we have there. You know? There's a very interesting level there that we could potentially go visit, but we'll see what happens. It's currently raining outside. It's kind of cool. First rains for the season. I'm in SA at the moment, so we just came out of winter. Let me just do that. Yeah, we could go down that low, eh? To be honest, like we could come down to fill this up and before proceeding to the upside, but I'll see. As for me, I'm waiting for that to fill me in. Sucks because yeah, it looks like it's leaving without me. Could have been up what, 20 points by now. First TP could have been hit, but it's fine. I want to sit on my hands. I really do believe that we will come back to fill that out. Without a bit of doubt in my head, I'm fully confident that that's where we'll come back to. Will I get the entry? Let's find out. Let's find out. I just want to see. Where's my templates? I want to see. Yabo. This isn't an OTE zone. I am most definitely going to wait for it. Most definitely going to wait for it. I'll post updates in the community tab. And then, is it the community tab or the post tab? Somewhere, one of those. And then we'll take it off from there. But otherwise, thank God for the skill.